Hey guys, Lady Borgia here, and welcome back to my channel. Guess what time it is? It is Boxycharm again. And no, I'm not gonna have her upside down like last month. I still will be bringing you the first look and impressions, especially of that matte gloss from last month. But I'm sorry, your girl got a little sick. And I have a pile of videos to edit for you because I love you. All right, let's get into this month's box. As per usual, I have no clue because I haven't been looking. It's actually a lot more fun this way, so we're gonna jump into it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ding 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 dong ding, hit that notification bell because I am live with 2 different series weekly, Monday and Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern, and multiple series of video uploads weekly. All right, jump in. Alrighty, here is the box from June Boxycharm, and we are going to open her. I popped the tape. I did not peek because that's not fun that way. Alright, so I'm not going to open it all the way. I just like to reach in and I feel more brushes! Again, and they look like Luxie brushes. Wow, Luxie really likes to give out brushes. Excuse me, I'm still getting over things. Yeah, they're Luxie brushes. Let's read about it. It is Caribbean Queen, or if you want to say it, Caribbean Queen. Pirates of the Caribbean. It's, you know, either way will do. Let's see. I have so many Luxie brushes from this and Ipsy, and I canceled Ipsy like a year ago. So, alright. Luxie 3-piece flawless complexion. Lord, this is a paragraph. Precision foundation brush 660 with less bristle density. This brush is perfect for applying both powder and liquid foundations to create a soft diffused makeup look. Yeah, we'll see. Tapered highlighting face brush 522. This fluffy powder highlighter. Oh, this tapered brush allows you to seamlessly apply your favorite powder highlighter to the high points of your face or set your under eye makeup. Okay. Duo Fiber Powder Brush 516. Use this ultra soft duo fiber brush to apply face cream or powder makeup for a softer, flawless finish. Yeah, okay. Well, so far I have one Luxie brush that I use all the time, and the rest of them I'm not a big fan of. I'm a picky about her brushes, but it's not that they have to be expensive. So we will check it out in the first impressions, and I will let you know, and I really will upload this month's and last month's. Let's move on. I like feeling around too. Oh, a Jantin Blue. It looks like an eyeliner, and I could swear I have this from them. Jantin Blue waterproof eyeliner pencil. The 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly. I'm trying to roll it so you can see. There you go. Look, glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Ooh, elevated. Use along with the upper lash line or waterline. $5. I believe it. I wasn't a huge fan when I tried this before, so we will test it out. All right, next thing. For the box below me, we have this. What is this? A box. Baddington. Ooh, lashes. I need some new lashes. I'm so tired of all the lashes I have. I've got a drawer full over here. It's same. I can't. What do we have? Oh wow. Really similar to my favorite go-to lashes. Darn, they are pretty though. See? Look. Baddington Oh, silk lashes. All right. Okay. Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes. 3D multi-layering Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes enhance your look with the moderate length, adding volume and length to your lashes. Yeah, that's one thing I noticed. I looked at a picture of me the same time last year, and my lashes have gotten shorter. They were really long at this time last year. I don't know what's happening. Anyway, they're handmade with 100% silk And impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care, meaning don't get your damn glue all over it and clean your lashes, girls and boys. MSRP $28, a Jasmine's favorite. Yeah, I don't know Jasmine, but that's cool. Glad it's her favorite. I will check them out. All right, let's keep moving. I feel something around. Oh! And we got an Ofra lip gloss or lipstick last June. I remember it distinctly. I will have to put a picture of me right here because I remember the day exactly. And I went out listening to street bands and whatnot in Red Bank, and it was Ofra Santa Ana, and that was June. I got a good memory. Okay, so anyway, Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. Let's turn it. There, can you see it? Can you see it? Good, good. I'm in a mood today. Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. God, that's always, you know, it just changes your life. Okay, I'm stopping, please. They're creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips, creating for a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use the lip liner, which I don't, even though I have a bunch of them. Makeup Forever rocks. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives beautiful edge to your lip look. MSRP $21. I've used these before. That is true. As long as this is the same. I got Verona. One of those kind of peachy dark nude colors that it'll look pretty. I feel something round. What could be round in my hands? And yes, I'll be doing the review and the compression gloves very soon. It is round and white and yellow. It says, oh, I almost thought it said Touch and Soul because I have a video coming from them. Sol de Janeiro. So that's what you've got. What is it? What do I do with it? Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So it's butt cream? Really? I don't know. Some of those bums out there, like the Brazilian ones where they put the extra fat in their bum, this might not be enough for some bums. I don't know. This is supposed to be a full-size product. So, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the bum bum. See? That's why the Brazilian waxing came through. It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. This is espresso for my butt, and I did not want to say butt. It was espresso for my ass. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica. Oh, wow. Okay, I know formulation, and now we're going to have sparkly ass. Okay. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add perfect Brazilian glow as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. So, your butt will be really shiny and awake if you use this product. Oh, I don't know. I don't know about rubbing this on my rear and showing you. I mean, I'm proud of my rear. It's a good one. It's not huge, but I don't know. We're going to have to see where the lady puts this in the first look because I've never done a first look of my ass. Okay? We've got to be getting down to the last thing. And we have some sort of palette. It is, I can't tell, Alimar Cosmetics. Reina del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. Inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the brightest Alimar, featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine, metallics, and velvety mattes. Oh, all my favorite things. I am a sucker for a good metallic. Oh, I forgot to tell you what the butt cream goes for. I don't know. I gotta see this month and who's doing first looks on their ass. The butt cream is $10. I still don't think that's enough. Maybe you just put a thin sheen and it wakes your ass up. Literally wakes your ass up. Okay, so I read about it. I'm not gonna read about it again because it was in the back. It's supposed to be warm, rich, creamy, whatnot, and go for $28, which if it's a decent palette isn't much. How many? Ooh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that is pretty. And look, oh, it's got that good eyeshadow smell. Nice and chemical. I swear, I can tell. I don't know. We'll see if I'm right or wrong, but I can usually sniff out a good eyeshadow. I've got other palettes with similar colors, but I'm not complaining. I want to play with this now. All right, this could very well be worth it. I don't know the company at all, but they've made me happy. We all know how I feel about my plastic sheets. So that is Boxycharm this month. All right, that is all. I love you all. I will see you in the first impressions and the giant pile of videos that I have to edit. I love you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ding. Hit that notification bell because I am live twice weekly with 2 different shows, Monday and Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern, and multiple video uploads weekly of my different series. Comment what you think below, what you got, what the differences are. I love you, Lady Borgia.